so excited. Yay.
Welcome back everybody to my channel. Today we swap the closet, do a little bit of grounding, and we harvest some arugula. So let's get started.
I know I'm not what you thought. This girl is so damn hot. What you thought. Walking around in a 6-inch heel. What you thought. A bowling pin curve with flat Bugatti wheels. What you thought. I'ma suggest you come back with another.
Alright, we're going to jump right into the fall autumn swap out. These are summer items, late summer items. Those will be moved along. The floors are hideous, by the way, so pardon the disastrous floors. I think that carpet either needs to be pulled out or just a large area rug needs to be purchased. So we're going to shuffle the winter items you see here down, move the summer items in. Obviously I need to relabel and pull all the fall items out and hang them up. Anything will be put into these space saver bags. Bruno, what is he chewing on now? What are you chewing on?
Band-Aids.
This silly puppy. So anyway, we're just gonna get into
Don't
it.
eat Band-Aids.
So let's not waste any more time.
Oh. He thinks I'm playing. Okay. Guess we're just eating Band-Aids now. Well, we made it fit, so that won't be opening until next.
Okay, and voila, we have all the jackets pulled to the front. We have the color palette and sweaters all in line with the now fall season that we have now transitioned into. It is a mess. I admit I have been collecting far too many sweaters and not letting go of any. A few of them actually belong to one of my girlfriends. I have to give those back to her. And the fall dresses are pulled out. The shuffling of the storage drawers have worked out. If you're wondering, oh, you should probably get a bigger space or whatever, I don't want to work with more space. As you can see, I have my shoes, accessories, handbags, all in this really cool little area here, and we are ready for fall. I am excited, and it didn't take that long. I'm so excited. So what is grounding? Grounding is a detox, finding clarity, reconnecting, de-stressing through the actions of basically going barefoot. I'm going to give you the layman's terms because this is what I needed. Going barefoot on the ground so that the natural connection with the earth can happen. And allegedly, this realigns your metals, releases toxicity from the body, re-energizes you, balances out your emotionals, and recentering us mentally, physically, emotionally. So as a whole, your bare feet getting on the ground in one way, shape, or form or another helps to do this. So essentially, grounding basically is referring to the contact you and the earth. So soil, water, grass, cement. Tile does not count unless it's on top of cement, I believe, or actual earth. And wood does not count. So you do not stand on wood, you will not receive these benefits. So that's my general understanding of it. So let me set you on your way to show you how that went for me. And then we'll talk. Enjoy.
Ow.
Road it was winding. Behind the bush, hard to find it.
Soft little beady.
Got back here.
Bruno's used to it.
Bigger than love, it's got more weight.
Go ahead.
We can't forgive, there's no more pain. We're only human, we make mistakes. No more words, no.
Okay, so we just did that grounding thing we're learning about for the first time, and my feet are on fire. I'm not happy. They're so sensitive. But we're gonna try again tomorrow. Ow. Walking on rocks sucks. It's not fun. Don't recommend.
We've been through so much, it's insane. But nothing can break us, we maintain. Nightmare on our street was frightening. So restrained, hands tied, our hearts in chains. We can't forgive, it can rein it in. Breaking out of this hell, nothing can stop us
Yeah, I would say day 2, not as bad as day 1, but it still hurts. So painful.
What do I think of this grounding birthing experience? I think it was beneficial. Do I think it was mind-blowing benefit? No, I don't. But it did get me barefoot more often and connecting to the natural earth more often. I would water my plants, as you saw, barefoot, and I'll continue to do that. It's a little hard to do that if I think you're weeding and you've got little stickers in the ground poking at you, but your feet acclimate to that. So you saw it in the beginning, my feet were sore and tender and just completely mad at me. However, toward the end, I mean, now I could probably go a mile on a hiking trail and it doesn't hurt. So you do have to build up a tolerance to it. I started very small. It just, hey, look, I can see the car. I'll start here. It was maybe 200 feet. It wasn't very far. To one room to the next or whatever, right? A 16-foot room, like whatever size. So you start small and you work your way large. And you know, I thought it was cool. It was a fun experience. Will I continue to do it? I'm not sure. Maybe not. Maybe on occasion I might do it. But I have a feeling if you stop doing it, you'll have to rebuild up the tolerance to your bare feet, grounding to the earth, albeit you step on rocks and certain things, gravel, that'll kind of poke. Sometimes there's sharp rocks. Not all rocks are round. I did learn that. I don't know. I'd give it a try. I mean, why not? But yeah, all rocks are not round.
All right, let's finish the day off with some harvesting arugula. Arugula in stores, you can usually find it in the organic section. It's a really good dense green and it's super healthy for you. And I threw the seeds in like 2 years ago and nothing happened. And then all of a sudden I had mad crazy arugula. So throughout the early spring to now, I've just been plucking it and harvesting it and harvesting it. And I'm gonna plant more, I think. I may have planted it at the wrong time last year. And I even had some more footage of how to harvest it from the actual garden plot where you have planted it. So the seeds are inside this little pod. And you want to let those dry out, and that's pretty much what you're going to see happen here. I'm going to pull the leaves all off so that I can use those in a salad. I'm going to harvest all the flower blooms and the seed pods, and I'm going to put them in separate little areas so they can all dry. The flowers I'm going to use for tea. You can also put those in a salad. They're a little sweeter than the actual arugula, which has like a nice bite to it. And the seeds, once they dry, I'll open up all the pods and release all the little seeds. It's a lot of work, but I feel like this is sort of a relaxing activity. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to put this arugula away and have a nice salad later on this afternoon. We'll see you guys next time.